Hello and welcome back to another tech tip. This is Joel and I'm going to share with you today a free and fun way to create customized icons for your Mac. Now I'm using macOS 10.13, but this function or feature will work on most Mac versions going back many years. I haven't tried it in a long time on older computers, but it should be fine. So here we go. First thing you want to do is find the icon you want to change. It can be any icon on the Mac, but I caution not to change system icons. Anyway, so here we go. We got a folder and it says Star Wars and this is stuff and this is USA. And yes, I can read the text, but I'm a very visual person. I want to see the pictures and recognize which folder is which much quicker than just all being constantly blue. So I go to my Star Wars. What you want to do is right click on it and choose Get Info. You can also get there by pressing Command-I on the keyboard. That's going to give you an information screen that tells you all about it. But in the top left, what you want to notice is next to the name, there's a small icon for the folder. You can actually click on that and it highlights in blue. From there, you want to copy it under the Edit menu, Copy, or Command-C on your keyboard. Next, you go to Apple's Pages software. This is a free app, and this is going to be so cool. Watch this. Now that we're in Pages, we're going to paste that copied folder. Command-V, and there it is. There's the folder icon. Now, I wanted to customize it, right? So I'm going to add a text box, and I'm going to put the text box on top of it, and I'm just going to call this Star Wars. Now that text is really small, so we're going to make it larger. And I happen to have a Star Wars font that I downloaded from fontspace.com. It's a free website, and you can get all sorts of fonts. Now, I don't like the way that is meeting up there. That R, that's kind of bizarre. Oh well, I'm going to run with it anyway. All right, so there it is. That's the Star Wars folder I want. Now, how do I take that back? Because it's two different things. The solution is to select them both. Click on the folder, hold down Shift on the keyboard, click on the text box, and then you want to copy them, go back to your Get Info, make sure that the icon is highlighted, and paste them. And voila, it is done. Now you can close those windows. Now I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna leave the folder but get rid of the text box. And so there I can see Star Wars. Now USA, I want to be kind of fun with this one. I want a flag on it. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the internet and I'm going to search for a USA flag. Now I recommend try to be cool about intellectual properties and copyrights, but this is a personal icon on my desktop. I'm not selling it, so forgive me, but I'm just going to pilfer a flag I like. Okay, let's find a good one. I kind of like this one. It's nice. Okay, let's try to load it. There we are. Now I'm going to take this image. I'm going to go over to Pages, and I'm going to drop it. Now, if that didn't work for you, there's a lot of other ways you can do it. You could just drag it to your desktop, and then from there, you could drag it into Pages. Or if that doesn't work, depending on your browser, you can usually right-click and choose Download Image or Save Image As. Now that I've got that, I'm going to put it where I want on top of my folder. All right, so I can resize my flag. I'm going to just format it a little bit here. I'm going to give it a slight tilt. Let's go this way. I'm going to give it a slight drop shadow. Not sure if this is going to carry over, but hey, let's find out, shall we? Okay, there we go, a little drop shadow. Okay, so now again, click the folder, shift click the flag, copy. Go to the icon you want to change, get info on that, click the icon, paste. Now, let's go ahead and do that last folder. Delete the flag, leave the folder. It says stuff. Not sure what I want to put on this one. So let's go get maybe a silhouette. Man, I spelled that one wrong. Silhouette of, what do we want? Books. All right. This one, we're lucky. Look at that, books. I like this one right here. So again, I'm going to take the picture, drag and drop it. Yes, I know I grabbed a thumbnail. It's okay because this is a small icon. I'm going to go back to my image, alpha, and get rid of the white on the outside. exactly. I'm going to resize this. I'm going to position it where I want, select them both, grab my icon, and paste it. And voila. Now visually, this becomes a whole lot easier. I can very quickly go grab the folder I want because I can see my flag, my Star Wars, and my books, even when my desktop gets cluttered. How do you restore it? If you want to get it back to the original icon, get info, click on it, and just press delete. And it restores it back to the original formatting, the original icon. This should work on any icon on the Mac. All right, I hope you've enjoyed. Have a great day.